there's real challenges and unfilled job vacancies. We've got some startling numbers that some of which we've already discussed, but for every 2 cybersecurity jobs that are filled, 1 sits empty. And so imagine, like, that's just a third job sitting empty because of a shortage of skilled people. And Tom, you've shared some stats, and we also talked some sports metaphors here. So I'm going to add one more. It's like going into baseball's World Series with only 6 players on the field when the other team, they have all 9, And so there's a domino effect. The domino effect takes place here across the entire ecosystem of cyber. First, there's a teaching shortage, broadly speaking, across all sectors of education. But this is even more pronounced in cyber. It's difficult to find educators when we're all tapping into the same population of skills. And on top of this, in education, some existing instructors may lack adequate skills just because of the rate of change. This even has a trickle-out effect. So we lack enough CISO leaders, enough cyber innovators, just the challenges in recruiting product developers. And so the impacts are truly significant. Lack of innovation in products, lack of capability and execution around services. And so we're all constantly in this position of like just playing catch up instead of getting ahead.